approximately 1,500 databases should be migrated to an XTTS environment. And in this case, we use a zero data loss recovery appliance. So the strategic overview is we have the AIX platform on the left side here on the slide. Then we do incremental backups to the recovery appliance anyway. And from there, we restore and recover and run the transport and rebuild the metadata to the XTTS. That's the overview. And here, the zero data loss recovery appliance adds really a very cool piece to that entire story because it automates a lot of things. Especially here in this case, we also run not only one incremental backup, so we run several levels. Again, by increasing the frequency, we decrease the time it takes to restore and merge at the end. And finally, when we are done, then we do the transportable tablespace move and the metadata information gets moved over as well. So the recovery appliance in our step here, we have special adopted Perl scripts. So our team here owning the Perl scripts did a fantastic job in adopting these scripts and making it applicable to the recovery appliance. A special version can be downloaded, db mig use ra.pl. So use the recovery appliance, and these are the customized Perl scripts. In addition, we need also a special version of the lib recovery appliance, the libra.so. And please, as a general rule, when you have a recovery appliance, always make sure you have the newest version. That lib doesn't go only on the recovery appliance, it has to be also on the XTTS and on the source IBM machines, because this allows us to interact with the Perl scripts. Then we download the mig use recovery appliance scripts, and this includes also the XTT properties file. This is again another MOS node, and we deploy that package now to the recovery appliance and to the XTTS. This is the special version here. It's a bit shorter actually than the previous one. So we point to the libra.so. So to the library, we copied in on the recovery appliance and the machines. We run in parallel with 16 files. The table spaces, this needs to be adjusted per database here in this case. And we always use the same location, source platform ID. In this case, it's AIX, so it's 2. The destination platform will always be figured out by RMAN. If you ever wondered why we only need to specify the source, destination is figured out by RMAN, a DB ID and a retry count. That's very short. So what we do, same as before, the level 0 backups get triggered when we call Perl dbmig use ra --restore, and then afterwards it will be converted and also wrote or written to the final destination with -- recover. That's it. We repeat the same thing now with the level 1 backup, same call, restore, recover. And then once this is done, the second part comes in. And this, by the way, is the team lead who ran and drove that project, Sona Toraman from Metronome here. And when you download a full slide deck, our big slide deck, you find the entire customer case there documented. So transportable tablespaces to XTTS. And here we customized transportable tablespace scripts to a fully automated solution. And I won't go into details here, but just that you see, if you have a recovery appliance or if you consider using one because you have really a large migration project of hundreds and thousands of systems, and the recovery appliance can help you a lot automating this process of running the incremental backups, rolling them forward, doing the conversion, everything handled by the recovery appliance here. And you just need these special adopted Perl scripts to put everything in place on the destination side.